Hey friend, let me ask you something real quick. What would you do if your online business started earning $300 a day? That's $109,500 a year. And yes, it's very possible. Would that ease some pressure? Would it help you breathe a little deeper, sleep better, and show up more for your family? Here's what most people don't know. You don't need a huge following. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need to be coachable and willing to put in 2 focused hours a day. If that sounds like you, then you're ready to start. I know you might be wondering, but will it work for me? That's why I'm here. This month, I'm personally guiding 10 people step by step to set up their online businesses and start earning. You'll even get my personal cell. I'm not going anywhere, except up. And I want to take you with me. Ready to build your future? Click the here in the email below and let's make the rest of 2025 amazing. I'm excited to work with you. Let's do this. Build income. Buy time. Be present. PS, got questions or still unsure? Just reply to this email. I'm here for you.